Hi everybody, it's Hey Jon, where I jabber opportunities non-stop, and I have some breaking news for you guys today. We are seeing a Twitter war unfold between Peter, Michael versus Elon and Dogecoin. So I had to make an emergency live stream here to give you guys the information live as soon as it comes in. So let's go ahead and get into it, okay folks? Let's get into it. Peter McCormack, /dear at Elon Musk. The perfect troll is one where people don't know whether it is a troll or not. Your recent poorly informed criticism of Bitcoin plus support for Doge may be the perfect troll. Or you might actually believe this. God, I hope not. 2. Whether you believe it or not is irrelevant right now. The implications are in play, and there are two specific ones I want to discuss. A, Doge investors will get wrecked. Oh, get out of here, bro. B, you are increasing the workload of Bitcoiners. I am not the smartest Bitcoiner, but I will do my best. 3, Doge is a meme, a joke. It has no real developers and long-term serves little purpose beyond coin flipping. The block size debate is over. Bitcoin is the only meaningfully decentralized cryptocurrency serving to solve problems caused by central banking. 4, decentralization is key. It is being meaningfully decentralized, which ensures that Bitcoin is robust, hard to change, and away from government control. It is this which gives us censorship and seizure resistant money which can't be inflated. 5, Bitcoiners work hard to keep as much of the ecosystem as decentralized as possible. It is why they fought civil wars and maintain a set of very hard principles. It is this that protects the billions you hold in Bitcoin. Okay, very interesting so far. Very interesting so far, okay? 6, I'm going to read the whole thing here because it's quite long, and I want to make sure you guys get the whole story here, okay? 6, I have been fortunate to talk to all the smartest people in the industry. In 2017, Bitcoin went through a civil war over these specific issues, and Bitcoin won. The market spoke, and every fork has failed and failed miserably. 7, I am receiving texts and DMs from friends and randoms asking should they invest in Doge, and I am having to take the time to explain to them why this is a risky investment and why Bitcoin is more important. I suspect I'm not alone wasting time on this. He says, okay, so Dogecoin, should I buy? How much? Best way to buy a platform, tell me things, ha 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 ha. Peter replies, God no, if you want crypto advice, then call me later. Holy cow, man. We're seeing Dogecoin get lit on fire right now. We're seeing titans, human titans fighting back and forth right now, okay? 8, this is why it might be the perfect troll, because some of us are questioning why someone so smart and so successful can believe this, while others are furiously buying Dogecoin. 9, when the world pulls, and it will pull, Doge bag holders will be holding nothing but a bag of dog poo. They will lose money, and many will have invested because they have not had the time to do the hard work, and they will believe you. 10, but the bigger issue for me is with regards to the damage you are causing to the Bitcoin ecosystem. While the damage is temporary, many before you disseminated similar bullocks, I included. You are increasing the workload of Bitcoiners. You know what? While these titans argue on Twitter, they are literally destroying Bitcoin. Elon Musk says a few things, Bitcoin falls to the sky. Look at it in the chart here. Look at it here from the chart perspective here. On a daily perspective, it's falling down from the all-time highs of 64,989 all the way to currently the price is currently $44,395 as of this recording here. It has fell 31.69%. Okay, this is incredible. All because of a few tweets from Elon. The man controls the markets, okay? The man knows what he's doing. And Bitcoin is coming down because it is an energy hog. Check this out. Peter McCormick here. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Number 11 here. Your personal goals appear to be focused on projects for humanity, clean energy supplies, reducing carbon emissions, and a second home on Mars. In case we mess this time up, Bitcoin is also a project for humanity to free people from the implications of central banking. 12. I am in El Salvador right now reporting on a Bitcoin project, which has given hope to many people. While the U.S. government debases the dollar, there are no stimulus checks over here. El Salvador is dollarized, and many have turned to Bitcoin to protect their income. 13 here. Additionally, a large percent of the El Salvador GDP via friends and family sending money back from the US. Often these people pay high fees using remittance services, reducing the money the locals receive. 14. There are Bitcoin companies building solutions to allow for instant and near free remittance, ensuring the people here receive more money. This is important as El Salvador is not a wealthy country. 15. I assume you have heard of the Lightning Network. The entire ecosystem in El Salvador uses it here, offering instant and virtually free final settlement. It is a far superior technology to any other faster cryptocurrency. Whoa, this man here is lighting up Dogecoin on fire, literally. These comments here are literally burning Dogecoin to the ground. El Salvador has completely changed my view on the Lightning Network. I am using it every day, and yes, I am buying coffee with it. Coming here and leaving, stats people help raise up the local community. 16. Again, folks, it is quite long, but I must go through everything so there's clear context of what is going on, okay? So be patient here. 16. These problems are not isolated to El Salvador. These problems are global. If you speak to people in countries with a high history of high inflation, Argentina, Venezuela, Lebanon, etc., the locals understand Bitcoin. 17. When you tweet false information regarding energy use and promote bad coins, the market reacts, and a 30% drop in the price can lead to a 30% drop in how much money people have in their for everyday necessities. 18. Now I understand markets are free, and the local educators teach people here about understanding and managing volatility. Still, as you are very aware, when you tweet to 50+ million people, your tweets have an impact. That is very true. That is very, very, very true. When Elon tweets, he has a significant social impact. His reach goes so far, it's amazing. 19. It might be all fun and games for you, but the impact on others is real. Basically, you are being a bad mate. 20. With great power comes great responsibility, yada yada. There are many smart people in Bitcoin who have spent years trying to solve very hard problems. They don't need to be wasting time countering the stuff you are disseminating. 21. This is a time that can be spent building and educating, and we have a lot of work to do. Governments continue to print money and are ever increasing rates. Remember why you bought Bitcoin. As you know, everyone says Bitcoin is a storage of value here, a hedge against inflation. 22. You probably won't see this, but if you do, perhaps we can connect you with some of the very smart people in Bitcoin to help improve your knowledge in the obvious gap which exists. Holy cow. We are seeing a fight right now. Back and forth. My God. 23. From one eggplant to another, I hope you stop being an eggplant. 24. Note, any KuCoiners who come up in my DMs or replies telling me that Bitcoin is a boomer tech and are slow and why Doge is better, don't bother. I don't care if you trade Doge, but please do the work. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is a crazy thread right here. We're seeing people fighting about Bitcoin, and check it out. Check this out. Elon Musk replies here. Elon Musk says, obnoxious threads like this makes me want to go all in on Doge. I will retweet this, baby. I will retweet this. Think about this, folks. Okay, let me give you some perspective on how much Elon Musk owns in Bitcoin. Okay, Elon Musk owns $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Okay, all right. This is crazy. And now Elon Musk is replying to Peter McCormack. He is saying Bitcoin is actually highly centralized with supermajority controlled by a handful of big mining, aka hashing companies. A single coal mine in Xinjiang flooded, almost killing miners, and Bitcoin hash rate dropped 35%. Sound decentralized to you? To me, that does not sound decentralized at all. But however, Elon Musk is a very smart man, so if he says it, you know what? It has to have some stuff behind it, right? Because the man has built his life on his very reputation here. The man is not going to just say anything out there, right? So when he speaks as facts. Check this out, okay, folks? So if Elon Musk has $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, okay, imagine this right here. We saw another tweet here, okay? Let me go to the tweet real quick and give you some perspective, okay? Mr. Whale on Twitter says, Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter. When they find out Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. With the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting, I wouldn't blame him. Elon Musk replies with the one word, indeed. Indeed. Holy moly. Holy moly. Ladies and gentlemen here, Dogecoin is going to the moon, okay? If this happens, we are going to the moon. And let me explain to you why right now, okay? Let me explain to you why right now. Okay, Elon Musk has $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, okay? All right, let's convert that to current Dogecoin. Let's say Dogecoin is worth 50 cents right now, okay? Just for simple math here. That means that Elon Musk will buy or hold or hodl 750 million Dogecoin. The man will become a whale overnight. And if you're wondering, hey, you're wondering, you know what? Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla, but guess what? There are shareholders and board of directors. But I say to all that is nothing but garbage, because Tesla needs Elon Musk. Elon Musk does not need Tesla. So if Elon Musk says, you know what, I want to trade my Bitcoins for Dogecoins, I suspect they will have to give in to his demands. Why? Because if the man walks away from Tesla, Tesla will collapse overnight. So you best believe these shareholders, these board of directors, they have their own self-interest in mind here. And their self-interest is in keeping Tesla CEO, okay? The interest is keeping Elon Musk as a CEO of Tesla. All right, and as you know, oh, correction. I meant to say 3 billion. 3 billion Dogecoin. My bad. I apologize. I had a brain fart there. I mean to say he would own 3 billion Dogecoin. Okay, let's go ahead and go into the coin market cap. All right, let's see here. We have 129 billion. Okay, and let's say Elon Musk buys 3 billion Dogecoin. Okay. That means Elon Musk will own 2.3% of the float of Dogecoin. 2.3% of the float. That is ginormous, ladies and gentlemen. That is a huge amount, okay? Overnight, Elon Musk will become a whale, okay? And that will propel Dogecoin to the moon, okay? If that can happen, all right? Yes, he buys at 50 cents, so what? that isn't the main thing here. The main thing here is that if Elon Musk goes into it, you best believe the rest of the world will follow, and the coin will skyrocket overnight. And you, ladies and gentlemen, here will see $1, $2 before you know it, man. Okay, Mark Cuban, every single Dogecoin he transacts with the Dallas Mavericks, guess what? He keeps every single coin. Okay, everyone here who are currently buying Dogecoin, we're all hodling. Okay, when we hodl our coins, what does that mean? That means we are reducing the float. If you're wondering, what does the float mean? Okay, the float means we have 129 billion Dogecoin. Okay, Elon Musk buys 3 billion. That means we have only 126 billion Dogecoin in circulation. Okay, so that means that you only have to trade 126 billion Dogecoin to push the price up. That means you can push the price up with trading a lower amount of Dogecoin, all right? Just to give you a simplified explanation. But of course, there are plenty of people here who are hodling their Dogecoin, including me. I am not selling one Dogecoin. I am only buying dips and hodling. So I am on the Dogecoin. I am a loyal Doge soldier. Welcome to Doge, baby. All day, every day. Doge is life. Check this out, okay? Check this out. Amazing here, okay? So we're seeing this happen here, right? And again, I believe, again, it's conjecture and speculation, but I do believe Elon Musk has the clout to do this action here. And everyone here is teaming up on him. If he gets kicked off, he may just do it sooner rather than later, just to give all of them the bird. And I don't mean the Twitter bird, I mean the bird, okay? So this could be phenomenal, man, okay? These people here are pushing Elon Musk into a corner. And guess what? Elon Musk is not in a corner. The man is well diversified. He has many private companies here. So you better believe Tesla will go on board with this. I am pretty sure about this. Of course, I can't prove it to you. And we have to wait for the next stock filing here in next quarter. But this could be a very interesting thing to see for Dogecoin in the next few months. And don't forget, Coinbase in 6 to 8 weeks is going to list Dogecoin. We have so many catalysts after catalyst after catalyst. My God, Dogecoin is literally going to the moon. Okay, there is no other word for it. Okay, no other word for it. And do not forget, Elon Musk is also working with the Dogecoin developers since 2019. Okay, that means we are seeing progress happen for a year now, some change. Actually, 2 years now, some change, depending on when in 2019. But for simplicity's sake, let's just say 2 years. Okay. Check this out here. Okay. So, here we go. Michael Saylor says, hashtag Bitcoin. Proof of work architecture creates 7 layers of security and serves as a foundation for the world's first and greatest digital monetary network. There is no more efficient technology for converting energy into prosperity. I mean, again, we have seen the power energy usage, right? Bitcoin uses about what, 707 kilowatts per transaction. Dogecoin about, I think, 0.17 kilowatts per hour, or I'm sorry, 0.17 kilowatts per transaction. Obviously, I could be misquoting it, but I'm pretty sure I'm close though. So that's a huge discrepancy right there. How can Michael Saylor just sit here and say that? I don't know. But check this out though. Elon Musk replies by calling him Sailor Moon. This is amazing, people. We are not seeing a Bitcoin season. We're not seeing an altcoin season. We are seeing a Dogecoin season. And it's coming to you. It's coming to a movie theater near you very soon, folks, all right? You are going to go to the AMC short squeeze movie theaters, and when you see your commercials, you're going to see Elon Musk come out, slapping the heck out of Michael Saylor, slapping the heck out of Peter, man. McCormick, this is going to be great. Those are going to be your next future movies here. Slap on Michael and slap on Peter. Man, oh man. Look at this here. Look at this here, folks. We have seen a 3-hour Twitter battle here, right? And look what happened to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, all the Bitcoins, including Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin is coming down. Dogecoin is coming down as well. But as you can see from this coin market cap here, the Dogecoin is more flat, right? You see Bitcoin slumping, right? Slumping. You see Ethereum slumping, right? You see Binance Coin slumping. Dogecoin is still red, but it's flat lining, okay? That means people believe in the Dogecoin. XRP slumping here, right? Look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash slumping. Uniswap slumping. Litecoin slumping. All right? Dogecoin is down too, but it's flat though. That means people are actually buying it. So this is phenomenal, folks. This is phenomenal. Very, very good news here. So let me go ahead and go over the charts now and see what's going on for Bitcoin. Okay. So Bitcoin is down currently 31. Oh, let me do it one more time here. Bitcoin. Whoops. See, Bitcoin is now down 32.3% as of this recording right now. That is crazy. All right, and about wow, amazingness. Just amazing. Let's see Ethereum. Let's see what is Ethereum doing here on a daily here. Let's see how many. Let's see how far back. Let's see how far back it's pulled back here, right? Let's see here. Ethereum, okay. Ethereum has pulled back 29.68% in a few days. Okay, this is literally insane in the membrane. Okay, wow. Let's see Dogecoin now. Let's see what Dogecoin is doing. Let's go over our chart real quick and see what's going on. All right. Let me see what the people are saying here. Let's see here. Let's see what everyone's saying in the live stream here. Let's see here. Let's see what's everyone saying in the live stream real quick. The Dewey trend, wouldn't that go against the people's currency? I would say no, because as you know, if Elon Musk invests into Dogecoin, it'll propel it higher. Let's see if JCG, if BTC drops, means Doge will drop. Yes and no. Yes and no. We are seeing a divergence, an inverse relationship between Bitcoin and Dogecoin right now. Even though both are down, but you're seeing it. But you're seeing Bitcoin go more down than Dogecoin. Okay, at JCG. All right. Let's see here. Courtney Jones, what are your low point predictions for today? Well, you know what? I'm gonna say for that, I will let you know in a little bit. Okay. I will now go over the Dogecoin chart and let you guys know what I think currently. Okay. Let's see. Agora Trading, always love to tune in to listen to Hey Jon. What's up, Agora Trading? What's up, everyone? By the way, for anyone wondering here, I'm using the Agora AI platform here to demonstrate the power of AI here. Okay, this is the future. This is what Elon Musk uses. AI, machine learning. Okay, so this is the same kind of technology he uses in different kind of aspects of his companies here. As you know, the Tesla car uses AI and machine learning to learn how to drive itself here. So of course, Agora AI is a similar technology, but for a different application. So it's very, very powerful. I've been demoing it for some time now, maybe the past week or so, and I like what I see, and I see what I like currently. Okay, so Dogecoin on the daily here. Dogecoin is breaking down from the long-term upward trend line, and that makes sense because Peter and Michael, these big titans, are fighting with Elon Musk on Twitter here. So when these titans tweet, they pull things back. Okay, it's unfortunate, but you know that is just a world we live in nowadays. So we gotta watch it. Okay, all right. Let's see long term for Dogecoin. 15,200 still very, very bullish. Okay, I see no reason for the pullback. I see a green ribbon, the reactionary wave from Agora. That means we are still in a bullish state on the daily perspective here. Okay. However, we are breaking down below the ascending triangle, so that isn't a good thing. But let's see what happens in the next few hours, though. Okay, Elon Musk can do some more tweets. Who knows here? Who knows? Let's go into the 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's go into the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on now. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, it's more pronounced, where we can actually see what is going on here. As you can tell, we are breaking down below the long upward trend line. Okay, all right. So that isn't good, but that's okay though, because it happens. The fundamentals have changed because we're seeing the news come out, and the news being Twitter, people fighting on Twitter. Michael Saylor, Peter McCormick fighting with Elon Musk, giving him grief about Dogecoin and Bitcoin, okay? Because Elon Musk was saying Bitcoin is a dirty currency, and you know what? It is a dirty cryptocurrency because of the power it uses, right? And power is, guess what? Generated by fossil fuels, and these fossil fuels create carbon emissions, etc., etc. here. So check this out now. Check this out, okay? So on a 4-hour time frame, again, I want to reiterate, it is more pronounced when we pull back here, as you can tell. Let me go ahead and drive circle this for you guys, all right? We're seeing this circle here. That means we are breaking down it. So you know what? As I always say, we need 5 to 6 sticks to confirm this right now. So as of right now, it's happening, but it has not confirmed yet. So I wouldn't be too concerned, okay? All right. So with that being said there, let's see what else I see here. The 50 MA is coming down here. So short term, the bears are in control because the current price of 492 is below the 50 MA, which is currently at 504. All right. The next thing here, okay, the next thing here is the 200 MA, which is long term here. We are still very, very bullish. That's very, very good. All right. So long term, we're still bullish though. Of course, this green reactionary wave is at around 469, so it could potentially bounce off there and go back up, okay? This reactionary wave is pretty strong here, so it gives you an idea of where the trading range is usually. And so far, it's been doing a pretty good job, as you can tell. Nothing is for sure and nothing is guaranteed, but it gives you a pretty good idea of where things are, though. All right, let's go over to 1 hour time frame and see what's going on with the 1 hour, okay? Let's see. The 1 hour time frame. Yesterday's live stream, I was telling you guys, I was telling you, ladies and gentlemen here, you know what? On the 1 hour, yesterday, we're looking very, very bullish because we saw a golden cross. However, though, the past 2 or 3 hours here, now we are breaking down below the 200 MA at 5113 here. The reason for it, I suspect, is because of all of the negative Twitter news and the fundamentals being changed here. Okay. Instead of waiting for a new syndication, social media creates the new syndication for you live. So we are living in incredible times here where news comes out so fast. A normal journalist does not even have time to sit down and make their news syndication report there because things are flying off the shelf so freaking fast. Look at this. We are continuing to break it down here. And now we're seeing Agora AI showing you guys this purple ribbon here. This purple ribbon is the reactionary wave. When you see purple, it means bearish. When you see green, it means bullish, okay? So the next support will be around 3.8, okay? I suspect 3.8 may get tested due to all of this fundamental news where you see these titans fighting each other and bashing each other. All right? So again, I want to show you guys real quick there, okay? Of course, currently we are in a downtrend on the hourly, okay? The 50 is coming towards the 200, and I would say at a very, very fast velocity here. So in the next few hours, we can see more price pressure to the downside. And to note, when Elon Musk and these Peter McCormicks and these Michael Saylors, when they fight on Twitter, they can tank markets. That is how much power their social media accounts have. People listen and people buy and sell when they talk. So if the news is bullish, we would be going up. But apparently the news is bearish. That's why we're coming down, okay? The proof is in the pudding, all right? That's here. And that's kind of why I want to go through every single thing today, every single tweet, because I feel like it's very, very important that we get all of the knowledge, okay? On the 15-minute time frame, okay? On the 15-minute time frame, a short-term support can be at 486, okay? The next one will be at 5049. These supports and resistances depends on where the candlesticks are. So trade accordingly, okay? I want to emphasize, I do not give financial advice. I'm just sharing with you, ladies and gentlemen, what I see on the charts, okay? So currently, we are seeing on the 50-minute time frame, we are seeing a bearish reactionary wave here, and the 50 and 200 are confirming this by coming down here, all right? We're seeing a VB minus here, which means very bullish. I'm sorry, a very bearish sign here indicator. So we are continuing the downside. It should be no surprise to you. When you see a bearish Twitter fight, guess what? Cryptos come down and everything gets affected, all right? Okay, so I want to thank all of you, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in and watching this, because I had to make this emergency video because it was very, very important, okay? It's Hey Jon, I jabber opportunities nonstop, and I will catch you all on the next one. Take care and goodbye. And most importantly, have a phenomenal day.